Hello nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. People, I think we might have a nail mail tragedy. I got this out of the mail today and I can legit smell it through the package. I haven't even opened it yet and I can smell it. So the nail polish scent is strong and it is with us. So let's go ahead and open it up and we'll see what's inside and what the tragedy might be. Okay, so here's our Mani by Me box, as I thought it was. I believe this is the December kit, and oh wait, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, things don't look bad. I'm pretty impressed so far. This is not scary at all. The Mani by Me. It is super strong smelling though, you guys. Oh gosh. Okay, let me get this out of the way so I can show you. If you want to pause and read what's in there, you know I like to be surprised. And then we have Intergalactic Manicure Tutorial. And then they give you a cute little tutorial about it. And then what do we get in the box? So inside the box is this wrapped up little fancy thing. Whew, the nail polish scent is just strong, folks. Oh my gosh, it's strong. Okay, so I don't see anything pouring out just yet. Okay, what do we got here? This is their, because there's a sticky black polish in here. That's right, there's a sticky black polish in here. So this is some powder that you can rub over it. I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna do that though, because I don't want to ruin any of my stampers. Anyway, thanks Maniology. I love it when they give me stickers. I put them on my e-scooter. And of course you get the stamping guide. And then you get 2 limited edition exclusive plates. One of them is this MXM045. Oh, I got a bad glare. There you go. Okay, so this, we have our galaxy stuff on it, constellations, and we've got our spiral galaxy, and we've got our different signs. Very cool. So that's 045. And then we have MXM046. And this, once again, we've got some different signs on here and some different galaxy looking stuff. These are floral. That's kind of a strange, this is beachy. Oh, I guess maybe to go with these things. Okay, all right, so there we go. We've got our 2 plates. Now let's check out our polishes. By the way, this is just the unboxing. We'll do another video that has the total review of these things. So one of them is a sticky black polish, and I hope that's not the one I smell. Okay, I'm looking. What do I see? What is that weirdness on the side there? I don't even know what that is. Let me help you out. Okay. Oh, please don't be nasty and gross. Okay, this is the sticky black polish. It's supposed to dry sticky. Oh, what happened here though? I bet that is the smell. All right, we'll open that in a minute. That is really bizarre. It's like the plastic didn't harden properly. Okay, anyway, I don't know. Hopefully that's the smell. And then we've got this beautiful Retrograde. That's really pretty. So we'll make sure to swatch these for you guys. But let's at least open and see what's going on. Okay, this one looks okay. No problemo, no problemo. And then we've got the sticky black. Obviously something is going on here. So, oh yeah, I can feel it. Oh, it leaked. It leaked in a, oh goodness gracious. Okay, on the plus side, all I have to do is contact Maniology and they will send me a brand new one of this, and hopefully it still works though. It looks like it did leak quite a bit, and it is, like, I think it ruined the top, so yeah, it happens though. So I'll put a swatch of these stickers right up here for you guys so you guys can see what that looks like. Stickers. I'll put a swatch of these polishes. So I actually thought it would be better if I, instead of just showing you a picture, like I thought about taking a picture of this and I was like, that's not going to be helpful. This color is super like shimmery and it works with the light. So this color, the retrograde color, it's super pretty, and it's one of those ones that's deceptive because it'll look like it's not even there. And then when the light hits it, it's like, bam, beautimous. So that is going to be a fun color to play with. Now the sticky black, I didn't want to put my Swatch Me sticker on the top of that, so what I did was I put it on the side, and then it's been sitting there a while, so I wonder if it's still sticky. That's really what I wanted to check out. So I'm just going to do I think you're supposed to stamp it on, but I'm gonna try and just kind of see what happens, see how sticky it is. Nope, it's gonna have to stay wet if you're gonna do that. Okay, I haven't looked too much into it. So let's stamp it wet on something and then see what happens. I'm just going to use one of these random snowflakes, and part of my sticky stamper station, I just cut off a piece of it so I can use it. We will just have to work quickly. I know they don't do it like this, but I just want to see what will happen if I just use, as it is right now, it's still pretty wet. They put it on a stamper and then do it. I just want to kind of see what happens if I put it directly on and just kind of barely touch it to it. So I've done half of this one on purpose. So I've just kind of barely touched it at all, and then I'm going to use a brush. Yeah, that works. So I'm not going to ruin one of my stampers with that. That seems kind of silly. So I'm not going to put a stamper over it. I mean, I'm not going to put, they normally put the powder onto the stamper and then put it on, but it ruins your stamper. So I'm not going to do that. I've learned this, you can also use this technique with foil glue, but the black really helps you see kind of where it is, which is nice. So I just stamped it on, put it over, and then brushed it off. I thought you guys might want to see a little version of how that worked, and the retrograde color, which is super cool and awesome. Okay, back to the video. Let's check out the powder real quick. I almost forgot the powder, y'all. We got to see what the powder looks like. Ka-chow! So it's a very, oh, I don't actually have this color, so that's a really nice, let's just kind of open it and do a little swatch of it too. The protective sealer thingy doohickey majiggy. Whoa, that is just a tiny little bit of powder. I mean, I thought there would have been more in it, honestly. That's a little disappointing, but you know, a little of this stuff goes a long way, so, whoops, sorry. Let's just take some and kind of rub it on our, okay, it's very pretty, very golden, very shimmery. And this is what you're meant to use over the sticky black. So we'll give that a go when I do the review video. But honestly, yeah, I thought there was gonna be more. A little bit goes a long way, but I mean, it is what it is. And Sun Sing, is that the name of it? Ah, Sun Sing. That makes sense. Nice golden, beautiful color. Okay, so the unboxing of the December 2020 Mani by Me subscription box. What do you get? You get the 2 plates, MXM045 and 046. And they're galaxy and what are it, signs? Astrological signs, is that what they are? And then we've got our sun sign powder and our retrograde blue, shimmery, iridescent blue looking color. And then we've got our sticky black. So pretty good haul. I'm super excited about this one. I'm sure this is gonna be a more than $7 polish. So I'm pretty excited about getting that in my subscription box. Oh, have they always looked like this on the back? Anyway, so there we go. And you also get your tutorial and your description of what is inside. So thanks again, Maniology, for yet another great box. I will be sending you an email about that sticky black, and can't wait to do a video. Oh, I almost forgot, they gave me a sticker too. And I can't wait to do a review video on all that stuff. So you guys know how I feel about Maniology. I am a Maniology fan and a lover. So if you want to go to maniology.com, get yourself 10% off of your order, use the code GrooveMama, and follow me on Instagram. That would be awesome. Like this video, subscribe. Those are all wonderful, wonderful things. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye.